They'll say you took the easy way out, that you didn't do it the hard way, but they don't know the battles you fought just to get here. This isn't a shortcut. This is your second chance, and you've earned it. Let's get one thing clear. A shortcut, that bypasses the work. A second chance, it rebuilds from rock bottom. And if you're in a GLP-1, you didn't choose the easy route. You chose to stop quitting on yourself. You chose to fight again, and that takes courage, not convenience. This medication doesn't do the work for you. It gives you the space to finally do the work differently, to build habits without constantly battling hunger, to move your body because you want to, not just to burn it off, to learn how to trust yourself again without feeling like you're failing every day. This isn't cheating. This is choosing yourself. Now, I'll admit, when I first started this journey, I was a little bit embarrassed. I thought I had to prove I wasn't cheating. I over-explained my food, my workouts, my progress. But what I've realized is I don't owe anyone an explanation because I know what it feels like to feel stuck, to hate the mirror, to feel like nothing works. And I also know what it finally feels like to feel hope again. That's what this second chance gave me. And I'm not wasting it. You're not explaining, you're evolving. Drop a stop sign in the comments if you're done apologizing for taking a new path forward. And tell me, what does owning your second chance look like for you? So the takeaway for today is, you're not cheating, you're choosing. You're not skipping the work. You're doing it with support. You're not on a shortcut. You're on a second chance. And you're not going back. Remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them.